turned down. No. Man get turned down for all too strong. Yeah, man. Such man did I go, you know. But in them days when naked man I feel line up back at one another. And them put such man in island. When them look, doctor check a go down cause each man have to bend down and doctor looking a rectum.
Doctor looking at what?
In a them rectum.
No.
So, and I bend down a go down to doctor, you know. When doctor reach like before him reach such man round there, so him see such man in a line stand up stiff.
Fire!
So doctor touch him and tell him, say, you go over that side there, Papa. I'm ready for you yet. I call you about 2 o'clock. Him fi come suck pussy, but him fi buy one toothpaste and one toothbrush. When him a forward.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
I thought we such man.
Such man, brother. Left me alone, no man. Now you want to put me in a mix up, brother. You know, see man want to kill me already, man. As such man, me have to run with, brother.
Where's the
Yes, brother. Now, if you clean mouth before you go suck girl pussy, cause girl not tell himself saying pussy clean and such man mouth. And oh, you mean no? Then why girl could I tell him that? What the reason make girl tell him that? Not tell girl tell himself saying pussy clean and such man mouth. You know, that's why girl tell him that, brother.
Brother don't care. Every night you go to a woman business place and a woman house sit down and him out a door and a tree. One bag of man sit down and watch TV.
I was saying my shield pussy.
Jano?
It looks up. Kind of say a female man, but the woman don't know about that.
He must stop man from get this man.
Fuck this hard.
Girl, we come point finger upon them mouth. Then suck mouth, then suck them.
All if you no suck, and girl go so you suck him.
What wrong with you? You're sick in your head, pussy.
You know about? Man brand new. Come man, just a brand new from girl. No style when girl no see someone and say you do it.
Jesus! Jesus Christ!
Like someone say, yeah, then you a girl, brother, you have pussy too. Come like you have pussy too. Some man will ask man else and something. You suck pussy.
You bumbo clot.
Me say you have pussy. Blood clot, this brother, what reason for you to ask me that?
No.
Yeah, who?
Yeah, who?
Bother with me, brother. Ask somebody else, brother. Don't ask me that. Who is you?
We go ask you that. Like him a girl.
I'm telling you, left your argument alone, man. Come on. Bother with me, brother. I fuck a girl and it's sweet. Me try push in my whole body. Me just try to wind up in this and go up more. Yes, brother. The whole of me have to try go up in this.
Yeah,
brother.
Evening we are eating a brother. I don't joke. You think that traffic is only good joke traffic? You're just done in this man. That's joke.
Yes, sir. Good drive. Follow alarm. Police wrong, we no wrong. And tell man say, yo pussy hole, you mean if you say that man just box down your blood clot and kick you down. No one step in your belly. Where you want to say a blood clot then? Cause you go like afraid of you.
Yes.
Or frightened for bumbo hole you.
Yes.
But show me never come out from that this morning.
This morning. So
where the bumbo hole you talk about? Talk again and see if me no kick down your bumbo hole like now too.
Yes.
Him take off himself off a piece of gone up.
You see when me I show blood clot,
me tell him say I will bust your blood clot head boy. Don't play with me. Where the bumbo all you do. Show me a talk so soft to you and so nice to you. You feel like say cat mash down and get soft.
Fuck him up, brother.
Booksy me don't lick him a cudger, them make me not lick him. I don't give him a blood clot box in 2 years.
Why you do that? You know you're not bad like me, you're not bad like me. Why you?
Man,
I don't stranger get paid. Keep your little ass quiet, man.
Quiet, man.
Sure, man. Don't know we are all dog and veteran long time.
God, what that for?
when him reach him get, hear him to such man. Good night.
Just that.
What wrong with you? You're sick in the head.
All of my money in your belly.
Hey, such man grab our blood clot and push him 5 finger down in throat. Straight down in him belly. Left me money plan the ground. Vomit up every blood clot, same place and gone home hungry.
You want me come here and you're fired? Oh, you're so fool.
Everything where your name have to come up back. Left your ground, your summer. Since me
that's that man wicked.
Through your gate.
I mean, they're not.
Yeah, go tell me good night and we just reach.
The man just a fat the foul for the mangoes, you know.
It not look good.
You don't know, okay?
That look good.
It not look good.
A fat the man come fat the foul for the mangoes, you know.
That the man no want.
Cause fucking
The
mangoes
man
are weird
plan
pan
to
that round
fatten
the
him
corner.
foul for himself.
Yeah.
And she a go tell the man good night. The man a look say after him fuck done and tired.
She a go
This
tell
girl a
him
go
this.
tell him good night and we up. Go up and go sleep.
But obviously I'm not saying go.
Hey. Yeah. Where him a go? Where him a go? Him nah go nowhere. No him nah blood clot. Go lie him a tell pan teach for you. But every Friday him go up there with girl.
I no beard.
Hey, which girl you can't go in a bed with them for dirty blood clot cement? Yeah, you know him work on nasty himself.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
So how you are go in a bed now with girl after a whole day in a sun and work so brother? By your piss start sweat in a bed and now with girl you not get stink? Me tell him say brother you have to go beard man. Ban little something on your skin. Spray a little something under your arm or so, you know? Put on your clean clothes. Yeah, with the blood clot you have drawn clothes over this dirty skin.
Shook him out.
You have girl come from town.
Who did good and nasty and
Dirty blood clot girl that you go to come.
what?
Yes, man put cocky pan him.
All you stinking nasty mother cunt.
Him tell me about and the brother fuck me for true, you know.
You batty man. Oh boy. You can't
I hear him, I'm in a batty man. He say move from here, so cause you're a batty man, you shouldn't even compensate with that the store. You hear man attack and you don't have nothing to talk. Hey, you shouldn't compensate with that, brother. You're a batty man left as some man. So me start angling bad on the side, brother. Me tell him say first thing for the man, did he a fuck for you, man? You fi knock out that one and kill the other one. No business how much gun them want have, brother. Cause if a man a go tell me that him have to go kill me now, you know.
boy you get it, he not tie up.
Overtime next, who you tell that? The blood clot, man. Him not tie up. And I said then, brother, you couldn't make a back door. Him can't run like him.
Jano.
Tell him say, oh man, make me take fuck. You did make me that? Eh? God, do your brother about man fuck your picture? Man, so no girl a give him a back cause I which will him take. Top one, boom, boom.
No, you never bad.
What quality you fuck body till you fall to blood?
Yeah,
That's a man. What top one? You them know where girl pussy they come out. So no girl nah give all you no fuck you know.
You serious?
I get no fuck brother. Then if a man asks himself a girl a give her back as a ritual, him take him all out. Then top one, him take me beat, me say quality.
So what's up?
Man no come and pick people side of me brother. Man catch him, me see man a give man 5 this in his face. Me I say yo, what go on there so? And say him catch him a pick him. Me say, I say give me peace of him there brother. Man truck him, give me back out kitchen, bitch, and give him 3 blood clots, like in my damn face, to in asphalt. Like me a town man. Slap up this pussy and pitch him and bear the people them about. Oh, no kill him, no kill me, say, oh, no confederate, see, no take it. And I send him to come pick pocket. I tell them, say, if I did ever me or my friend, we catch him a pick and him head me a cut off 2 bone. Blood clot teeth. When you come here for blood clot teeth, you come here for sell and make $1 and go up a bread. A man to come here about them a pick with.
So that's the only pick you get.
No, nobody never saw. Hear me now. Come in at me or back in at me house now, you know, and start search. Sit down on me and wait for them. Because they handcuff me back way long time now. Because then this me them come for, you know, they not left me. Sit down on my phone, they over there up and the whatnot and the phone start ring. Police boy, run to grab you up. Funny number good. Put your me ears answer man. Me say yo, me there jail. Buckler, tell me dance and I'm boss. Yeah, you know. You have to have quick thinking, you know. My mind just tell me say one of my friend call me. Because you see on internet, call me to tell me say then gone with you. So me fi look out. Me say yo, me there jail, you know. The police boy then give me some bumbo clot licks and me a talk code from phone with man.
Jano.
That's how me get licked, brother. Boy, hang up your bumbo clot 16 on the door and pop off.
We winning, we winning, we winning, right?